sounds.
What a horrendous day.
Darling, what's wrong?
Hero?
Yes, my love, I'm here.
I've had a horrendous day.
Oh, what's the matter, sweetheart?
I've been bullied today. Been thrown into a garbage can by those two meanies.
Would you like me to deal with them again?
Yes, please. Ow! I'm still hurt with all those bruises.
I'll protect you, sweetheart. Rest, love.
Thank you, Hero. Will you take me to your bathtub so I can get clean?
Yes. It's okay. Everything will be alright.
Don't worry, I'll be fine, I guess.
There, all clean and dry.
Oh, I love you, Hero.
Love you too, my dear sidekick.
You taste like peppermint. I love peppermint.
And you taste like a blue fluff of cotton candy.